Hey, Tyler Wanzek here, right in front of my primary residence. Hey, I'm a real estate agent and a builder in the area. I want to walk you through the new ADU that I just completed about a month ago, and just kind of talk about why I did it, some of the financial incentives of having something like this, and just overall what it brings to the home. So come on through. As you can see, kind of the old construction. One of the older homes in the neighborhood, 1920s house. So what's going to be really nice about this is when they have parking and everything, they're going to have the 2-car garage, and then they're also going to have, this additional parking space out front. So I wanted to separate a level of privacy. So kind of just a little privacy fence when you kind of step in. Just kind of feels nice. You got this nice shaded area. I wanted to take advantage of it. So coming through, you kind of see that you're always going to have at least 5 feet. I wanted to have a little bit more. 5 feet just didn't seem enough for a side yard, so just did a little bit more into that. Really nice entry coming in. As you can see, you're going to have your own access to the garage. So in and out. And then another really nice thing we did is a couple steps down, just getting more headspace, more headroom. You're gonna have your own washer and dryer, your own everything. I mean, this is your own very separate unit, and that is going to be very much a requirement when building these. So quite proud of how the kitchen opened up. I love the sunroof. My whole big philosophy here was just taking advantage of all the south-facing light that I wanted here. So just as much windows as I could, I kind of put up there. And to tell you the truth, if I was doing it again, I'd probably do a little bit more. So walking around, obviously, nice and open. Ended up with 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. This right now is just kind of an office space that we're utilizing. We got a baby coming any minute now, so we turned the old office into the new nursery, so wish me luck on that aspect. Here is what will probably be, for the time being, any guests. I'm almost going to be offended if people, are passing through Denver and they don't stay with me at this point. I know Gretchen's parents are going to, stay here. My parents are going to stay here a lot when the new baby comes. So coming through. One thing I was kind of bummed about when I had to kind of clear the space was I did have to take down probably a cool 30-year aspen. So I kind of tried to repurpose and give it new life with making it look like some fake pillars there. So you got the 2 sinks, nice big shower. Anytime I do bathrooms now, I'm doing heated floors. I think you just why not? But the nice thing about being in Wheat Ridge is the lot sizes, and I think that's why it's super attractive here in Wheat Ridge, because you have these lots that are well over 10,000 square feet, and I just think it's kind of a perfect opportunity. Before this space, I think that's the big thing is looking at your site plan and figuring out, hey, how do I make this the most, functional? You want to have parking. You want to have, all the amenities that, you would have in a single family home. Hey, I'm looking to do a lot more of these. Looking at doing another one to one of my rental properties here in Wheat Ridge. But, working with great builders, and I just want to be a source of information for anybody who's looking to do just this. It's a rental income down the road. It's amazing place to stay. And when you look at the price per foot that it costs to build versus just buying something like this, it's an absolute no-brainer. So if you're looking in Wheat Ridge, is definitely kind of more my specialty, but anywhere in the Colorado, let us know. Would love to give you a bid and see if we can kind of create something like this for you, because I do think it will add massive value, either way down the road, having a space like this. So let me know. I'd love to work with you, and yeah, I think I can be a valuable source because I've been through the thick and thin in the last 2 years with a few of these. So really appreciate you, and give me a call if you're looking to expand or build on your home and get your new ADU.